Exam concept, CAIE, A-Level Chemistry AS, organic mechanisms, electrophiles, nucleophiles, and curly arrows. Concept first, then real exam questions. Electrophiles and nucleophiles. Let us start with the question, who attacks whom? An electrophile is electron-poor. It accepts an electron pair. A nucleophile is electron-rich. It donates an electron pair. Polar bonds create electron-rich and electron-poor sites. Electron-rich attacks electron-poor. Here, the nucleophile approaches the partially positive carbon. The leaving group is attached to the electron-poor center. Pause and remember. Electrophile accepts. Nucleophile donates. Curly arrows show electron movement. Track the pair, not the atom. The first rule is simple. Start at an electron pair. Point the arrow towards an electron-poor atom or bond. Use one full arrowhead to show where the electron pair goes. The first arrow forms the new bond. The second arrow sends the bonding pair towards the leaving group. Every curly arrow must start where electrons are. Build a mechanism step by step. Use the same four-step check every time. First, identify the electrophile. Look for the electron-poor center. Second, identify the nucleophile. Look for a lone pair or negative charge. Third, draw the curly arrow from the electron pair to the electrophile. Finally, check charges, bonds, and the leaving group. The pattern is identify, point, draw, then check. Let us practice with a real exam question. Take your time and read the instruction carefully. Question 1. Draw the SN1 mechanism for the reaction of hydroxide ions with 2-bromo-2-methylpropane. Include charges, dipoles, lone pairs of electrons, and curly arrows as appropriate. Also draw the organic reactant and the organic product. Before we answer, look at the intermediate on the right. The tertiary carbocation forms after the carbon-bromine bond breaks. The answer has 3 key points. First, show the dipole on the carbon-bromine bond and draw the curly arrow from the bond to bromine. Second, draw the curly arrow from the lone pair on oxygen in hydroxide to the positively charged carbon. Finally, the organic product is tert-butyl alcohol. Now question 2. 2-bromo-2-methylpropane is a tertiary bromoalkane. Define tertiary bromoalkane. Look at the structure on the right. Focus on the carbon atom bonded directly to bromine. The answer is, the carbon bonded to bromine is bonded to 3 other carbon atoms. That is what makes this a tertiary bromoalkane. Remember, for a definition question, state the structural feature clearly and precisely. Build a mechanism step by step. Use the same 4-step check every time. First, identify the electrophile. Look for the electron-poor center. The first rule is simple. Start at an electron pair. Point the arrow towards an electron-poor atom or bond. Finally, check charges, bonds, and the leaving group. The pattern is identify, point, draw, then check. Keep practicing with real exam questions on EduNinja. Topic by topic practice. Step-by-step solutions. Smart paper builder. Revision notes and more.